There are inkjet printers for families, home offices, photographers and even high-volume inkjet printers that print thousands of pages for a surprisingly low cost. There are numerous items accessible to inkjet printers. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best inkjet printers from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. HP DeskJet 2755E Wireless Color Inkjet Printers. Print up to 700 pages a month. Ink ships to you automatically so you never run out. After 6 months, monthly fee applies unless cancelled, and you'll save up to 50% on ink. Activate HP Plus free to get advanced features for mobile printing, security, automatic updates and more. HP Plus only works with an HP account, internet connection and original HP ink for the life of the printer. Print basic color documents like recipes, forms and travel documents. Print, copy and scan in color, plus mobile and wireless printing. Get started fast on any device with the HP Smart app that guides you step by step. Print, scan and copy from your phone whenever, wherever. Get advanced features for 24 months with HP Plus. Get better range and more reliable connections using dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset. Number 2. Canon PIXMA MG3620 Wireless Inkjet Printers. Mobile device printing. Easily print from your iPhone, iPad, Android or tablet. Quick and easy wireless setup. Powerful printing options. AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, NFC, Mopria and Canon Print. Compact and space-saving design. Print on both sides of the page with auto two-sided print. Form factor. Print, copy, scan. Max print speed color. 16. The PIXMA MG3620 is an all-in-one inkjet printer that offers convenience and simplicity for all your printing needs. The PIXMA MG3620 allows you to print and scan on the go using your compatible mobile device. Number 3. Brother MFC J1010DW Wireless Color Inkjet Printers. There's no sacrificing features with this welcome addition to any home office or small office space. This compact inkjet all-in-one delivers full functionality plus fast print and scan speeds. The simple-to-use Brother Mobile CONNECT1 app delivers easy on-screen menu navigation for printing, copying, scanning and printer management from your mobile device. Use the 20-page capacity automatic document feeder for quick copying and scanning to handle a variety of media. The 150-sheet capacity adjustable paper tray minimizes paper refills. Eliminate the guesswork of ink replacement when you use the Brother Mobile CONNECT1 app to access page gauge, so you know the amount of ink you've used and the amount of ink you have remaining. A full range of Brother genuine ink cartridges deliver high-quality prints and reliable page yields. Choose from standard LC401 series or high-yield LC401XL series cartridges, including select multi-pack options. Number 4. Canon PIXMA TS202 Inkjet Photo Printer. Fine hybrid ink system for detailed documents and photos. Quickly refill paper with a dedicated rear paper tray. With a great compact size, the PIXMA TS202 fits almost anywhere. OS compatibility. Windows 5, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7 SP1, Mac 6, Mac OS X v 10.10.5, Mac OS v 10.12, Sierra. Incompatibility. Ink tank and fill volume PGI 246 black. 8.9 milliliters STD. 12.0 milliliters XL, Clyde 246 color. 9.0 milliliters STD. 13.0 milliliters XL, PGI 243 black. 5.6 milliliters STD. Clyde 244 color. 6.2 milliliters STD. Output tray capacity rear paper tray 60 sheets of plain paper or 20 sheets of 4x6 10 sheets of 5x7 photo paper. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E Wireless Color Inkjet Printers. 6 free months instant ink subscription when you activate HP Plus. Print up to 700 pages a month. Ink ships to you automatically so you never run out. After 6 months, monthly fee applies unless cancelled, and you'll save up to 50% on ink. Includes free HP Plus smart features. Activate HP Plus free to get advanced features for mobile printing, security, automatic updates and more. HP Plus only works with an HP account, internet connection and original HP ink for the life of the printer. Best for small business and home offices. Print professional quality color documents like forms, reports, brochures and presentations. Fast color print, copy, scan and fax, plus two-sided printing, mobile and wireless printing, and an auto document feeder. Print up to 20 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color. Self-healing Wi-Fi automatically detects and resolves connection issues. Print, scan and copy from your phone from anywhere. Get advanced features for 24 months with HP Plus.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.